How to remove this big button in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. First, click on these three horizontal dots in the corner, then go Settings, and then choose Sidebar. Scroll down and click on Copilot. Here we can choose option not to show Copilot button, like this. If you wanna get rid of this bar as well, just go back and click Always Show Sidebar and just switch it off. Like this. And this is how can you do it. So one more time, click on these three horizontal dots in the top right corner, Settings, then go Sidebar. This is how can you show your sidebar. And if you wanna show the button again or switch it off, you can do it like this. Thank you for watching. If you find it helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button, and see you later. Bye bye.